What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to extract files and turn files into zip files in Windows 10. So first things first is you're going to want to install Winrar, because Winrar allows you to change files into zip files. By default, Windows 10 does have an extract function, so you can extract zip files without this, but I would just recommend you install this because it is the best software for handling zips, and it's also free, so why not? So what I did here is I went to Google and I typed in Winrar, and the first result here is the one I want to click on, so I'm just going to click on win-rar.com. And here we go. So I'm just going to click download Winrar. I don't want to buy anything because it's free. And then I'm also going to click download here. Don't worry about this. And I'm not going to put any email or anything because that's not necessary. The file I have is right here. This is what I need. And as you can see now, there are on-screen instructions of how to get the downloaded file, install it on your computer, and so forth. So I'm not going to walk you through this, as these instructions are actually based on what browser you're using. So the website detected I'm using Firefox and gave me instructions based off of Firefox, which is pretty cool. But anyways, that's how you get WinRAR. I'm not going to walk you through that. I'm just going to walk you through how to zip and extract files now. So cancel this, close this. Here on my desktop, I have this folder called test. Now say I want to turn this into a zip file. What I have to do now that WinRAR is installed, I right click, and as you can see now, there are 4 options here in my context menu: add to archive, add to test.rar, compress and email, compress to test.rar and email. Anyways, so what you want to do is you want to click add to archive, and this will bring up a window here, and you can choose what kind of format you want. If you want to turn it into a zip file, you can change it to zip, or you can have a RAR. These are only specific to WinRAR, these two, .rar, .raw5. I would recommend you use zip, as that's most widely used. So you just have to click zip, and then all you have to do is click OK. You don't have to worry about any of this stuff. This is more advanced if you really know what you're doing. But yeah, so just click OK. And as you can see, it now appears on my desktop here, test.zip. And it's got the little WinRAR icon because that is now the default app that deals with zip files on my computer. So before I would have like a little zipper on the folder, but this is what it looks like now. So if I want to extract this, all I have to do is right click and then do extract. Either extract here or extract files. Extract files will allow you to select where they extract to in the file directory, and extract here will just extract them right on the desktop. So I'm just going to click extract files just to show you what happens. And here you can choose the file path. You just got to go through here and pick where exactly you want it to extract. So as you can see, there's a bunch of shit here. Like I can go on desktop and extract here. But anyways, I'm just going to do extract here and just show you what happens. Actually, I should delete this because it's going to extract right into that. Okay, extract here. Boom. There you go. And just like that, it keeps the zipped folder and it gives you the extracted version of it. So test and test.zip. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.